According to Investopedia, affiliate marketing is an advertising model that compensates third-party partners for promoting products and services and generating business. In layman's terms, affiliate marketing is a business model that pays you as an individual for promoting another person's products or services. In other words, you're making money on services and products that you don't own simply because you're promoting it for the owner. Now, there are different types of affiliate marketing model. We have the PPC, PPL, and the PPS, which is the pay-per-click, pay per lead, and pay per sale. Whichever type you choose to do, you get paid for doing them. But I need you to understand that the PPS affiliate marketing business model actually gives you the most reward, which is the pay per sale. Now you may be wondering that how exactly does affiliate marketing work? I'll be explaining that to you in a few seconds, but first a brief introduction of myself for the sake of those seeing me for the very first time. My name is Rachel Okwelegbe. I'm a digital marketing consultant, and right here on my YouTube channel, I share tips with you that can actually help you to leverage on your smartphone to make money online. So you want to make sure that you are tapping on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you'll be the first to know. And also, I should let you know, this is going to be a series on affiliate marketing where I'm going to be dissecting everything for you, the do's and don'ts and the pros and cons. So make sure that you tap on that subscribe button to subscribe so that you do not miss out on the upcoming videos. Now to the big question, how exactly does affiliate marketing work? Regardless of the affiliate marketing business model that you choose to go for, I need you to understand that affiliate marketing works pretty the same way regardless of the model. So either you're going for the PPC, PPL, or PPS, it doesn't really mean. They all work the same way, and I'm going to be explaining it to you right here in this video. However, in this video, I'm going to be using the PPS model to illustrate how it works for you. I am choosing the PPS model to illustrate how affiliate marketing works for you because, like I said earlier, it pays the most commission. I'm talking commissions as high as 50%, 80% commissions per sale. So in 3 simple steps, this is how affiliate marketing works. First and foremost, you have to be registered on an affiliate marketing platform. I'll talk more on platforms in another video, and I'm also going to be showing you how you can actually get registered on those platforms. Then the second step is for you to get your affiliate link or links, as the case may be, depending on the number of products that you want to actually promote. Third, you share your links on your social media platforms, and then customers get to click on those links to actually visit the vendor site to make a purchase. Now, the moment they convert, their conversions is actually tracked on the vendor site. Finally, you as the affiliate is paid your affiliate commissions. Easy peasy, right? But then again, it is not as easy as it sounds, which is why I am going to be breaking it down for you further. Remember, I said it earlier that this is going to be like a series. But before then, let's take a look at why affiliate marketing is a lucrative opportunity for you as a beginner trying to make money online, leveraging on your smartphone especially. I am going to be giving you 6 solid reasons why affiliate marketing is a lucrative opportunity for you as a beginner. The number 1 reason is because as a beginner, having a product of your own is not going to be easy, and it is going to take time for you to actually create one. But with affiliate marketing, you can actually skip that part and just simply promote other people's products. So that way you don't need to worry about creating your own product or worrying about how do I even create a product or have a product. Now, which takes me to the number 2 reason. Now, the number 2 reason is that you don't have to invest so much money to get the physical products or the digital products. Remember, you're a beginner, maybe you don't even have money. So affiliate marketing actually helps you cut that part off. Also, the number 3 reason is that you don't need to invest in new tools and new gadgets. It's still saving you money. Can you say that? You don't even need to rent a shop to begin. Now, this takes me to the number 4 reason. You can actually learn on the job and keep increasing your income as you do. The 5th reason is that it is highly profitable. You do not need any form of certifications, or you do not need to even be a graduate to actually do this. You don't even need job experience to be able to do this. Now, the 6th and final reason I am going to give to you in this video is that you are going to be your own boss, and you are going to be the one to set the rules that you want to work by yourself. So as a beginner, the benefits of affiliate marketing for you is quite enormous. Now, one of the biggest is the fact that you do not even need to come up with your own marketing kit. So if you have absolute 0 idea or you have no experience at all, that is not even a problem for you as a beginner looking to get started with your own affiliate marketing business. Also, the techniques and strategies that you can choose from are limitless. In addition, your promotions can be made easy with automation and the help of AI. In my next video, we're going to be talking more on platforms that are profitable and how to spot the best niche for your personality type. Ensure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and you have also tapped on that bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop that video, you're going to be the first to know and you do not miss out on it. Based on what you have learned so far in this video as well, if you do have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'm going to do my best to answer all of your questions. Finally, don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let them come and watch and learn as well. And I'm going to see you in my next video.